In the vast realm of Norse mythology, Thor emerges as one of the most beloved and powerful deities, revered as the god of thunders. He embodies the raw forces of nature, representing not merely the phenomena of storms and lightning, but also the ideals of strength, protection, and unwavering bravery. As the protector of both mankind and the realm of Asgard, Thor fulfills an essential role in maintaining the balance between order and chaos in the universe. Thor is synonymous with thunder, lightning, and storms, a reflection of his fierce and tempestuous nature. His very essence is infused with the power of the natural world, embodying strength and resilience. As the son of Odin, the All-Father, and Jerd, the Earth Goddess, Thor stands as a bridge between the divine and the mortal realm, ensuring the safety and well-being of both. His vigorous demeanor and warrior spirit position him as a champion of mankind. Thor's strength is unrivaled among the gods, making him the primary defender against the chaos represented by the giants, the foes of the gods. In many tales, Thor is depicted as the ultimate warrior, fearlessly engaging in battles to protect the cosmos and those who inhabit it, showcasing the virtues of bravery and heroism. Integral to Thor's formidable identity are his legendary weapons and tools, each symbolizing different facets of his power. Mjolnir, perhaps the most iconic of all Norse artifacts, Mjolnir is Thor's mighty hammer, renowned for its incredible destructive capability. With Mjolnir in hand, Thor commands thunder and lightning, able to unleash catastrophic power on his enemies. Notably, Mjolnir possesses a remarkable enchantment. It always returns to Thor's hand after being thrown, making it not only a weapon of offense, but also a symbol of his unyielding strength and reliability. Mjolnir, Thor's magical belt, known as Mjolnir, serves to enhance his already formidable strength. When worn, this enchanted belt doubles his physical power, making Thor an even more fearsome adversary. This accessory underscores the idea that strength, in all forms, is an essential aspect of his character. Thor is not merely powerful by birthright, but also through the tools that amplify his abilities. Jerngripper. In addition to Mjolnir and Mjolnir, Thor wields Jerngripper, a pair of iron gloves that are essential for wielding the mighty hammer effectively. Without them, even Thor's strength might not suffice to hold such a potent weapon. Jerngripper highlights the importance of preparation and the complementary nature of skills and tools in achieving greatness. Thor, the god of thunder, stands as a monumental figure in Norse mythology, symbolizing the forces of nature and the strength of the warrior spirit. His attributes of thunder and power resonate deeply with the ancient Norse culture, which revered him as their protector against the chaos of the giants and the unknown. Through his legendary weapons, Mjolnir, Mjolnir, and Jerngripper, Thor embodies the idea that true strength comes from both inherent ability and the tools we wield. As we reflect on Thor's character, we are reminded of the importance of courage, protection, and resilience in the face of adversity. His tales inspire us to embrace our own inner strength, to defend those we care about, and to face challenges head-on with confidence and determination. Thor's legacy as a protector of mankind and a god of thunder continues to endure, inviting us to celebrate the heroic spirit within us all.